What's up? It's Cheese Cat back with a new video. And in this video, I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to get like unreleased cosmetics. So you got all of these normal cosmetics that you can just unlock by opening chests, but there is actually another way to do it that you don't even have to download anything or anything. It's just basically using the inspect tool. So yeah, let's just get right. Alright, so the first thing you're gonna want to do is click up here. You're gonna click manage extensions. So I have one extension, and you can basically add on extensions. But whenever I go to taming.io, I have this extension. If I go here, then I click options. This is custom redirects, and if I were to look up custom redirects, this would come up. I can click on this and I can add it to my Chrome. It's pretty easy. It's completely free. It's pretty safe. It won't do anything, and you can remove it later if you don't like it. It's just one click. I already have it added, but you can just click add to Chrome and it will add. So basically, once you have that added, you can click up here where it will be, and you can click here and click onto options. And this is the same page that we had before. So basically, how this works is you put in your original asset URL, and then you put in the new asset URL, and this will basically change your skin. And so first we need to click Control-Shift-I, and we're gonna be on application. So we're gonna click here, application. We're gonna scroll down, and as you can see, we have all the images in this image file. So you're just gonna scroll down until we find our character body. So we're just looking, and you can click on any of these images, and it will just show up where like it is. So also, if you're making like maybe a YouTube video and you want a thumbnail and you want to use some of these assets, then you just click on these and use these assets. So you got all these assets. Oops. Alright, so we just need to try to find player. Okay, here we go, player. So now we have all of these players, and I think what I'm gonna use, I'm just going to use the player arm left and the player arm right and the player head 0. These are all the 0 ones, but there are a lot more, like all these random skins. But I'm just going to use player. But you can use, let's say I want to use this tattoo. So, or this. So I'm going to right click it and click copy image URL. And if I just put this into my Chrome and click enter, it will show up. So if we do that for all of these, here's arm right, copy image URL, put that in, copy image URL. Alright, so I have all 3 of these assets. And now this is like the really fun part where you can just experiment with stuff. You can change the number on this, and it will change to a different skin. And some skins are like unreleased skins. So let's go 367. 367. Wait, what does that look like on the head? 367. Whoa, it's a spike skin. It's a diamond spike skin. So I kind of want this diamond spike skin. 367. Now we have all the assets for this. So we're gonna go ahead and take this, and we're gonna, for the right arm, or the left arm, we're gonna copy this URL, put it into the new asset. And then if that was the left arm, then now we can go to left arm, copy image URL, and then put it here. So this is 111, but this is 367. So now we can click add, and that will just add there. So now if we need the right arm, we can just copy this URL and we can put it right there. Then we can find the right arm. Then we can copy image URL. And it really just like becomes a natural instinct. It's not too hard once you get the hang of it. Alright, so now we're gonna copy this. And we're gonna put that there. Put it here. Copy image URL. Add. So now we got all of these. And they're new versions. So while you're here, you're gonna wanna go here to sources. Or maybe it's network. Yeah, it's network. And you're gonna wanna have this disable cache on. That way it will like stay that way until you disable these skins. So I can go ahead and X this out, and with all these things active, you can disable them and you can remove them. But now I can refresh the page. I think it should, if I find the Karma skin. There you go. So now it's there, but I haven't unlocked the skin, unfortunately. So if you haven't unlocked the skin, then you won't be able to use it. So honestly, what I should have done is use something like this. So you have to find a skin that you own, and you can use it. So if I could use like, I recommend using like this, or this. No one really uses these. So then you can put it in. And here is a quick image of me using this troll skin, which is really cool. And if you're curious, I think the troll is like, I forget what number it is. But that's the fun part. So figure it out, have some fun with it, and you can get like whatever skin you really want. And let's say you don't really like this custom redirects thing, you can remove all those, and you can click here, click on these three little dots, click options. Wait. Or yeah, you could just click remove from Chrome right here, and this will remove it. You'll remove it. And now if we refresh, we go right here to the Karma skin. It's just bad karma again. So, yeah, if you find it unsafe or anything, I assure you it's completely safe. But if you have any bugs with it and you're just nervous about it, then you can go ahead and just delete it. It really isn't hard. So, yeah, that's how you get any free skin in taming.io. I hope this works for you. Also, just something to point out. If I unlock this egg skin and I want to turn it into this skin, and I do that. So I'm this egg skin, and then whenever I click play, it's actually this scratch tamer skin. The only thing that you should probably keep in mind is that the other players who are wearing this egg skin will also have this skin on, not the egg skin. So just keep that in mind, but it's perfectly okay, I think. Alright, so yeah, have fun with this, you guys. Peace out.